Welcome to your new home in one of the most inviting neighborhoods around, where community, comfort, and convenience come together. Here, you're not just buying a house, you're joining a lifestyle. Picture afternoons by the pool, evenings around the fire pit, and weekends spent grilling out and relaxing with friends. And the best part, you're less than 10 minutes from one of the best coffee shops in town, Rooted, and within minutes of everything that Evans has to offer. Introducing to you the Lansing 9 plan built by Oconee Capital. This home was built only a year ago, so you can enjoy the comfort and convenience of a brand new build without the price tag. As you step inside, you will be captivated by the elegant finishes, including coffered ceilings in both the formal dining and living space, and quartz countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms. The large open floor plan is perfect for everyday living and entertaining. If cooking is your passion, this kitchen is for you. It features a gas range, huge island, and tons of cabinet space. Downstairs, you will also find a bedroom with a full bathroom, which is perfect for an in-law suite, a guest room, or a private office. Step outside to your own private retreat featuring a covered patio with a fireplace, which is the perfect spot to unwind at the end of a long day. The fenced-in yard offers plenty of space for both your pets and your children. As we travel upstairs, you will find a massive primary bedroom with a sitting area and an ensuite bath, plus 2 extra bedrooms and another full bathroom with double vanities. My personal favorite feature, the flex space, which would be ideal for a playroom, teen hangout, or even a 5th bedroom if needed. Here, the lifestyle is just as impressive as the home, and it's waiting for you.